Hi guys. So someone, I don't know who, went to dig up Jacinta's old tweets. Yeah. At first I saw these tweets and I thought they were fake. Remember how people would enter Miss South Africa and then people would go dig up their old tweets? Once why they are banned from continuing with Miss South Africa because of their old tweets. Because Miss South Africa let, and or maybe someone has gotten a big opportunity, then bam, about dig old tweets zakho lose a low opportunity. That is what's happening. So someone went to dig Jacinta's old tweets and I thought they were fake until she wrote that apology. I think she probably panicked. If I was her, I wouldn't have written that tweet because people were going to defend her and say it's fake for Umzekelo. No one would know. But I think because she defended herself, then whenever someone says it's fake, there's an apology that she did, which I'm going to read for you. So these are tweets that she used to write. I need more Nigerian friends. Okay, these are some of her tweets where she says Limpopo girls need to carry their IDs when in Josie. Couldn't resist. Then enye ithi nalapha eKZN bakhona abamnyama. Ayingekhe, but who knows, maybe might be from Limpopo. Bamnyama abantu that side. Then she said lol. Then another one she said, oh Jesu. Which language sounds like a punishment? It must be either Venda or Tsonga. Another one says Limpopo girls vote for Mugabe. And then there's another batch that says Limpopo girls are banned from wearing black. Then she says here, Limpopo girls must only party during the day. Nightclubs are always empty, or are they? Then she said Limpopo girls only experience one season, summer. Then she said Limpopo girls jima goku crosser border. Okay, now let's go to her apology because there's a lot of these tweets that they've dug up from the past years. So I thought everything was fake until I saw her apology. So she says, dear South Africans, I'd like to apologize for the tweets I wrote when I was young, dumb and stupid. I have not been exposed to the real world and viewed life in a very myopic way. I don't remember what they were about, but that is not even relevant because they were wrong and distasteful in nature. To the people I have hurt and disappointed, please forgive me. I don't deserve it, but I would appreciate it. I understand that it's not easy to view them as anything than what they are, and I take full responsibility for them. Ngiyaxolisa kakhulu for anything I might have said in the past. That's not who I am now. Ngiyaxolisa. Remember, Ronald House was appointed now as an MP in the Democratic Alliance, and he lost that job as an MP because of a YouTube video that he did in 2010. I think he did it in 2010 or something, and he kept on explaining that it was an old video. Don't. He lost. There's so many people that I know from the internet that have lost the opportunities because of videos they've made on YouTube, things that they've posted on Twitter. So yeah, tell me what you think about these new developments. I mean, as stated in I'm just watching, man.
Yolina, I'm asleep. But I was scrolling and I wanted to tweet Jacinta Jacinta her old tweets. And girl, these are from like 2011. She was using the hashtag Limpopo girls, which I was like, was she in Limpopo like when she was making these tweets, or like what was happening? But let's read them together. That they're so insane. Let me show you. Limpopo girls need to carry their IDs around when in Josie couldn't resist. Okay. This obviously means, like we've been saying for the longest time, xenophobia in this country has always affected people from Limpopo too. Like people from Limpopo, because people, But my girl from South Africa has been making this series about how South Africans have deluded themselves into believing that South Africans are a specific shade. Therefore, people who are darker than that deluded ideal shade are mistreated, like experience xenophobia as well. So, Uraru Baribiao. Okay, let's read another tweet. Limpopo girls vote for Mugabe. Okay. Limpopo girls only experience one season summer. This one doesn't even make sense. Are they saying like there's no winter in Limpopo? Or are they saying like this one doesn't make sense. This one doesn't make sense. But it was 2011. I don't know, maybe, there's context around the time. Ye karan Zulu bilelengiti Jima ngo cross board Limpopo girls. Ke hashtag crazy. Limpopo girls only party during the day. Nightclubs are always empty. Or are they? This one also didn't understand. You know what Limpopo king? Badak nambili where look good nightclub, we can't see them, or like what? This one also didn't make sense to me. They all don't make sense to me, of course. But that's what I'm saying. Abaya is xenophobia mo South Africa. Nale kare rola re batho ba unpatriotic nna nka se kgone o get behind xenophobia. I'm so sorry. And nna ke tswa ke light skinned, so that shields me, I guess, from more Lake Satsibi Zulu. I can get away with it. Marona batho lo reng bakas ene yo bakas kgone abana luxury o se tsebe di language tse dingwe tsa lena ka gore le to ba betha la re and that's what people have been saying. Bona Jacinta.
Makato zokrisa face ke ama-tweet kaJacinta Ngobese Zuma aka-Twitter ke ku-X bonakala kungaka 2019 apho ethetha nje khona izinto eziyi-distasteful ezinganambitheki nje ncam regarding abantu bokufika na regarding abantu baseLimpopo. Nizakhumbula ke nge-30 kaMarch 2026 ngokwakhona lamajayile kuGompo eEast London kwaba khona ingoma eyaculwa pha. La ngoma yafuna nje ukuvusa nje igqushe kusilwa opapapeni kusilwa no ngizwe apho malunga nalanto leyana. Bathe apho bevana khona few days ago ndithi ndeqi nevideo yabo apho sebevana khona begida bejiva ndawonye azange itrend as much as lanto bebelagqushe belisenzeka. The point I'm trying to get across into yoba ndicela singavumi ukuba divided right now. Sengayivumi nje distraction. We've got bigger battles to fight. We cannot afford into yoba sibe sizalwa sodwa right now. And andizuyicondona and ndimthethelela uJacinta based on what she did or what she said kulama tweets lawana. She herself acknowledges the fact that those were dumb and stupid. She herself says that uxolisile bafethu. Ndicela into yoba right now sifocuseni kule esijongene nayo. We are very much aware into yoba xa ubhizi usilwa nento ongathi ulwa nazo, which ezinye are in the best interest of ama South Africans, bahamba bayogubhurula izinto ezingadenta nje reputation yenu. Because right now you can already wonder into yoba xa ngathiwa hayi sokuvela into ezithile ngoGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi wethu sokumele into yoba sithene our back on him. Silindele into efana nale into yoba kuzavele kugubhurulwe nje into enamanyalala othile then kuvezwe lonto bafuna ukuyisebenzisa against yena. Size singavumi South Africans. Asisazudlalwa ngabo ngoku sila. Asizuyivuma nje into yoba sizabe sidlalwa ngabantu abafuna ukusi divide. In division we're not going to conquer anything nge-division. So whatever she did, she's saying that she was dumb and stupid. Wayesesengumntana ngoko yonke lonto. I'm not even going ukuba ndinixelele ofa ndizifake apho into yoba zeziphi ezo-Twitter kazithethile, but nje asizuvuma ukuqhekeka right now. We are one. We've got bigger battles to fight. Even nangoku kukubhizi kubona le reputation engadekeka into eka National Commission of Masebona kungenzeka into yoba identeke ithini. We are waiting because sifuna ukuyazi into yoba could it be that ikhona indima akayidlalile? Is there a role that yena akayidlalile ekuthi ukhethe afumane la tender 360 million okanye ayikho? Because he himself says he is innocent. If akuna signature yakhe pha, if akuna approval yakhe pha, chances are the only thing he may need to account for into yoba nje lento yenzeke under his watch. Asikwazi into yoba sibe ngamaphixiphici sithi umuntu okanye umuntu beke support umuntu owenza right by South Africans, umuntu beke besimsupport nethi xa kuqala kuvela something sesiyazibhebhetha sesiyazithini abafethu asijiki into sizimisele ngayo asijiki. And just in closing, we as South Africans as well, along with Jacinta, we are sorry whatever tweets wayizibhalile pha. Indeed, they are distasteful. So we are one.
When to dig up Jacinta's old tweets. Yeah.
Zizipho uyaphila sisi. Ngiyaphila nami. Angifune ukudefenda umuntu. Kodwa ngifuna sikuxoxe lolu daba nawe. Nabanye abangangenelela. Uma ngasethiwe Zizipho sengiqonywe uwena wentombi yami. Ngikufice nje usumdala usuyiphethe kahle Zizipho. Ungasaqumi, ungasadakwa, ungasabhemisa. Usuyiphethe kahle nje. Njengoba manje ngicabanga ukuthi ukumatetisi. Bese kuba khona umfana owawufunda naye esikoleni ongilethela i-evidence yokuthi wena wawisidakwa sentombazana, wena wawudla insangu, wena wongababheki abafana. At the age of 18, 19, mhlawumbe 20. Namhla ngihlangana nawe una 35 noma una 32. Lokhu ngahlangana nawe nje uyilidi. Eli right elithembekile. Kufair yini ngakujingela leyo nto? Uyabona ke? Akukho fair. Akunayo logic ukuthi umuntu owenza kahle, owenza lento uyifunayo, oyenza kahle, uhamba uyodiga izinto ongayifuni owayezenza kudala bese utshinga konke lokhu o-interested kukho manje akwenza kahle bese ubambelela kulokho ongakudinga ekwenza kudala. Akuyenzi logic. Phandle uma kuukuthi vele umuntu olwa naye umcingele ukuthi ungamtshinga kanjani. Kodwa mangakhona ukuthi umuntu olwa naye ukusikhuluma nje iqiniso, ayikho into enjengalethu ngatshinga. Uyabona eSouth Africa abantu benza amacala amakhulu bebulala abantu benza izinto kakhulu bese babanjwa imanje isho ukuthi uzohamba izingaka ayi kwi-correctional service noma iminyaka engaka noma inyanga engaka afike ahlukeleliswe isimilo bese yabuya as a brand new person. Amukeleke futhi emphakathini abanye bagcwele amaparlament noma le manje emva kokuthi ahlukeleliswe isimilo mhlawumbe sokubuye simbone eparlament. Isimilo ke mfowethu ahlungeleliswa kwi-correctional service kuphela. Kuyenzeka nje umuntu akhule from lokho kudumu kwakhe kobungane bese kuhlumeleliseka isimilo. Kuyenzeka umuntu ngokuxoxisana nanoku-experience realize izinto ezithile awayengazenzi kahle bese ehlumelelisa isimilo. Kuyenzeka omunye akhethe uJesu ahlumelelisa isimilo. Kuyenzeka omunye ufica ukuthi ubegange ngakasebenzi ngakaqashwa wamane waqashwa washiya kokubheda waqonda. Kuyenzeka omunye ufica ukuthi ube unondindwa nje ngoba mhlawumbe wayenendoda abangaunderstandani na sethola indoda abanderstandana naye useyakuzonda ukundindwa akaseyeni nondindwa. So ke asivumelani to people's change. Asikwazi ke ukuthi sithi sizopanisha uJacinta oweza izinto esifunayo simpanishele ukuthi kudala wakhuluma mhlawumbe izinto esingayidingi. Unless ke ukuthi ke kushawa amaqupha ke indlela ethile yokulwa naye. Anginandaba nokuthi laba abanye babalile eParliament kwabanjani ngoba nabo uma ukuthi bangena eParliament bese umuntu ofanayo nalo muntu ababe uyena besho lezo zinto ababezisho vela ba deserve ukuba seParliament. Kodwa uma kungase kushekwe ukuthi ngempela laba abantu sebahlumelelisekile sebashintsha ba deserve ukuba seParliament. Ngicabanga ukuthi uhulumeni kufanele aconsider indaba yokuthi amaqembu ezepolitiki awakwazi ukuba nohlelo lokuhlumelelisa abantu imilo olunye olungafani namajele for ukuthi umuntu uma enze i-offense angazugwetshwa kuyona aye correctional service khona ama offense ongeke ugwetshwe kona kodwa sekuyi-offense akwazi ukuhamba lawo ma-social worker noma leyo correctional ukuze alungahlumeliseki isibili noma ke kube khona indlela yokumeja ukuthi ngempela kusekukilini abuyiselwe emphakathini ayosebenzela umphakathi. Because abanye abantu ababenza izinto ezimbi kudala namhlanje bangabafundisi namhlanje bayizinto ezinkulu and i-contribution yabo ave ibalekile ave inkulu emphakathini. Ngiyabonga.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Kurisurface ti-screenshots tema-tweets aJacinta Ngobese lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana akudzala 2011 libantu bambe bayogubha bawafuna la bekakhuluma khona indzabi yokuthi abantu baseLimpopo they need to carry their IDs uma balaphana eJozi. Akhuluma nendzabi yokuthi she needs more Nigerian friends. Now people are saying ukuthi kudzala sekubona ukuthi uliphice umenemene ngiyalutenda ngazuthi awubathanzi abantu bokufika ngahlanye futhi uyabazonda abantu baseLimpopo because when babona ngazuthi abafanele kuphila la South Africa. Abantu abaningi bayamgceka uJacinta ngalama tweet akhe akudzala guys 2011. I mean we are in 2026 now. But there are those who are defending her saying ukuthi kungani bantu bahambe boyelanza ma-tweets akudzala 2011 ngoba bahlezi bafuna ukumqekela phansi kuJacinta. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.